So I've had a lot of you in my DM asking how they can use their gas oven. You know that gas oven heats from under only. So how they can use their gas oven to get a perfect result for their baking. Okay, so this is a little video to show you how I make use of this gas oven without anything burning. So first of all, you need your you need your regulator. Okay, you fix your regulator to your gas your gas cylinder. Then you fix in the hose or the pipe. Then you open the gas so that the gas can flow through the pipe. Okay, now as you are gently opening the valve or the regulator that is fixed to the oven, you are at the same time lighting the burner. Okay, don't open it too much, don't open it and leave it for so long. No, just as you're opening it, you're lighting it at the center so that it will just light up small. You also need a thermometer, very very important. So you fix in your thermometer just the way you see me put it inside. Okay, now the gas oven will start heating up from the inside. Please reduce the heat. Reduce the heat. So there's something I normally do. I have to get maybe a pot or a stainless bowl and pour in some water into it. Or maybe you can use a tray, an oven tray, put in some water into it and place it inside. This will help to regulate the heat that will come under your stuff, the what you are baking, so that it's not going to burn from the under. But if you are to bake something that you have to fix, you have to full both the top and the bottom rack, then you have to monitor the temperature, reduce the temperature, and make sure you keep monitoring the temperature using the thermometer. Okay, if you are supposed to bake at 120 degrees and you see that the temperature has passed down 120, please, you can open the door of the oven and let some of the steam or the hot air to escape. Once you see that the temperature has come back to 120 that you want, or the 150, depending on the temperature you want, then you can close the door again and let it keep on baking. You don't leave it like that. If you also have, maybe assume that your gas has a chimney or gas escape, the hot air escape pipe or valve that is fixed to it, is fine. You can open it so that the hot air will escape. You close it again. So if you follow this step, your stuff will bake very well. You cannot use gas oven without having a thermometer. Thermometer will help you to regulate the temperature. If not, you end up burning your stuff. Even if you reduce the heat, the burner, to the lowest heat, without you using the thermometer to regulate the temperature, it's not going to work. So you need a thermometer so that you will know when the heat has passed the extent that you want it, or then you can reduce it. That way your stuff is not going to burn under and it's going to come out very well. Okay, so maybe next time I will still make another video, maybe showing you all about how you can use it to bake a cake also. So this is simple video on how you can make use of gas burner. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.